this is Debbie Drum, and this is going to be a quick video on a very easy way to get a few reviews underneath your belt. Okay, and this is called the beta reader review method. So what are beta readers? Beta readers are people who are going to read your book for you and give you feedback before you actually release your book. And the feedback is going to be very, very helpful for you because the beta readers are going to tell you what they like, what they don't like, what's missing, what you can add, what you can clarify, all these things that you might not know because you're so in the process of writing the book that you just cannot see certain things that other people can see that are outside of the process. All right, so beta readers are going to help you out immensely. For example, on my book, I used beta readers and they told me what the book was actually lacking, and I was able to add a couple more chapters based on their feedback. And the stuff that they told me, again, I didn't even think of or consider adding it just because it just wasn't in my thought process when I was outlining the book. And your beta readers can make your book so much better. So I really highly advise you getting beta readers before you actually release your book. Now, of course, a beta reader is different from an editor. An editor is going to read your book and give you grammar feedback, give you spelling, sentence correction, rewording, things like that. They're not really going to give you feedback about the book itself unless they're that kind of editor that does that. But most editors that you hire are just there to make your book great in terms of the way it's written. So the editor is different from your beta readers. Now, how many beta readers do you need? When I did mine, I had about 3 solid beta readers, and I reached out to a small percentage of people, and out of those people I got maybe like 10 responses, and then out of those 10 responses I think I got like 3 or 4 beta readers. And your beta readers are going to be your champions, are going to be people who are really looking forward to helping you, and some of them will literally copy your book onto a Word document and edit your book and give you all types of feedback. So there are some beta readers that give you a ton of feedback, and there are some beta readers that will give you like a few bullet points here and there. All beta readers are different, okay? So that's the beta reader process. Now, as you could imagine, when you actually release your book and you put it on sale, who can you now go back to who has already read your book and already knows what kind of review to give you? Your beta readers. They've already read your book, so they're more inclined to go ahead and, of course, write you a review because they've already read the book. They already invested time in the book, in your book. So they're probably the best people to leave you a review, and most likely it's going to be a positive review because they've helped you throughout the process. So it's a really fabulous thing. And that's all there is to this strategy. Now, one more thing that you can consider with your beta reader strategy here is what I did is I gave my review copies out to my beta readers before I actually went through the entire editing process, only because I wanted to add the feedback that the beta readers gave me before I actually got the book edited, so I didn't have to go back and say, oh, I added this, and it just created more work. So I made that clear to the beta readers that this book is not edited yet, so don't go through it with a fine-tooth comb and point out all my mistakes yet because it's not formally edited. I'm just wanting you to look at the content. Now, of course, some of the beta readers did go through and edit. So you'll have that, but it's just one thing to consider. Do you want to go to your beta readers before or after you edit, and just make it clear to them if you didn't edit it yet, then just make it clear that they should know that, and they're not really looking at that for feedback. They're really just looking at the content for feedback, okay? All right, so that's it. Not too complicated. There's your beta reader strategy. Use it because this can get you really good reviews. And these are the best people to reach out to because they've already read your book. All right, go for it. Thanks.